Assalamualaikum. I am Ananda Aulia from 10th grade Culinary 4. Here I would like to make a video about history of the SMKN 57 Jakarta. Let's watch the video. Bye. A brief history of SMKN 57 Jakarta, founded in 2004 as SMKN 28 Jakarta. SMKN 57 Jakarta was established in Ragunan to meet industry demand by focusing on market-relevant vocational programs. The school was renamed SMKN 57 Jakarta. School was renamed SMKN 57 Jakarta in 2011 by the DKI Jakarta provincial government to standardize vocational education, while still maintaining modern practical facilities. As a prominent South Jakarta vocational school, SMKN 57 focuses on tourism, creative arts, and technology. It partners closely with the industry to produce professional and competitive graduates.